You must come and see there is this road 577 is crossing our place. There are children. If you're going to school, the school is that side. No school this side. There's no bridge to crossing this road. Now, if the children is going to school, they must walk this way. This place got corruption and the crime. This place is dark. No electricity, no road, no nothing here. No water. This road is cutting our waters. You see the water is running down there. No one to help us. If we are complaining about the Begitele, no answer coming back with us. Why we never making the bridge here? No one to answer. Our house is old now. Me, I'm staying for 21 years this place. 21 years. Before all this is yonder. Now the rose is cutting here. The house is this side. The side is got no house. No one to explaining us what's happened about this place. No one to come and explaining the people for this place, this side. That's why we take the step to joining Abahlali Basemjondolo to help us. 4 children will die because this electricity is going like this. This road, if it's busting, that's making the hole like this. Look the holes. No one to come and see what's happened this place. No one, except Abahlali. Some is working, some is not working. Some is working this place for a colored place. You got 500 per month or 400 per month. But most people is not working. And me too, I'm not working. I stay at home here.
And can you afford taking your children to the high school and university? Can you afford that?
No, only primarily for that side. Now, if you're going that side, it's hard to. Toilet.
Pastil.
Nokugcwele amanzi lapha etoilet nakho kukhona nokuchaphuzila babona ukuthi kukanjani
Awukabapayipa yabhasta manje la nje njengoba sesefuna ukwenza iplan sihlanganisa imali so avala.
awukho nje safety ngisho ingane impini ayayiqhumela kugcwala ubuchaphozi ingane zikwazi ukuhamba manje ziye lapha nibona ama toilet akhona uthi kanjani kugcwele amanzi lapha etoilet wathi if ingane yagaqa ngena phakathi lapha yagxambuza nali toilet lapha
Ehlathini.
Ngizothala kule nto letha mntana minye ijezi ngafa amakhasa beka lezi zinto nje udumale stuff. I came here in 1988. Now it's 2001 to 2009. I'm still here in this mud like this. Rain. I'm old. I'm so old. Angisakwazi na ukuhamba. Ngifike mina ngisebenza. I was working in a yard. Ngihlala kule ndawo. Ngiphume kube emajardini. Ngihlala la. Still now I'm so in this mud. Oh please help me. Now I'm lonely. Can't do anything. All my children passed already. I don't blame anybody, only Lord knows.
How many children?
My children, I was got 12 children, 6 boys and 6 girls. Naba, all in here. Batingane 6 feet underground. Badapo, all of them. These children, to this girl, is my granddaughter. And a boy now, after this girl, is not working. Still, he he been to school. You know it now, the time of this time, children, up and down, no work. They only on the street, that's all in St. Clair. Ow! Help us.
Uthi kusukela kuvele lenhlangano yabahlali iziphi izinto ozibonile zishintsha ngicanga ukuthi lama masha kwenziwa la isiyanda uthu usuvele usukhona yenziwa ile nhlangano yabahlali ukuthi ukuphi osele ukufundile noba okuyithemba okubonayo okuzoqhamuka nayo inhlangano le yabahlali basemtsholo.
Ibona umahluko ngoba ihamba intombazana. Mina ngisabi uyinto nje mntanami ibuye ingane ngicocela ukuthi kuthiwa ke gogo kwathini gogo ngihlela kwesikhathi ingane zingibekela isitulo la ngimakubale ixoxa ithi gogo sesihambe kanje kanje nje ngibelieve lokho ngathi ngize ngisho ngithi awuhamba mntanami inkosi kupha amandla ukuthi ubone ukuthi kwenzekani umlomo wami le ntombazana izinyawo zami ihamehlo wami nendlebe zami